Hey, this is Jimmy at Direct Truck and Auto Repair. We're doing car care month and we're trying to make sure that our car is safe for this cold weather coming up. One thing we want to check is the engine oil. You're gonna pop your hood, unlatch your hood. And here's the thing too, when it gets hot, when it gets cold, a lot of these will start failing too. So these are the hydraulic shocks that keep your hood open. Some of you guys may have a bar that you have to flip up and hold right here. Stay safe. Make sure that this hood doesn't fall on you when you're under here. Find your oil dipstick. You're going to pull it once, okay? You're going to wipe that off. You're going to reinsert it. Pull it again, and then you're going to check your oil level. Okay, oil levels right around there, halfway point between the full and low. So we have good oil level here. If your oil level is extremely low, you might want to go get it checked out to see why. Sometimes you may be burning it on a really high mileage car. Other times you may have a leak somewhere that's not on the ground yet. So that you can't see on the ground yet. So you might want to go get that checked out just so that way you don't continue running your car. And I know this is October Car Care Month, right? But you might want to check your oil in between services every once in a while. Okay, you saw how easy that was. But if you need help with that, come check us out at Direct Truck and Auto Repair.